Tony, congratulations on the win. Frustrating up until that winner?
Yeah, extremely frustrating. It looked like two teams that are nearing the end of the season, and neither team got going, especially first half. We certainly didn't get anywhere near where we've been. We improved second half, yeah, and one bit of quality into the box, and we scored from it. Whereas we had loads of opportunities to put the ball in the box and to get chances on goal, but you know, the final third, I thought we were poor tonight in the final third.
Ryan, colli heddiw, ti'n meddwl bod chi'n heiddi rhywbeth o gêm?
Falle ddim lot yn y gêm o gwbl, ddim lot gyfleoedd i'n naill tîm. Credu aethon ni gorau o'r hanner gyntaf a nhw yn sicr yr ail hanner. Ac fi wedi gweud wrth y boys yna i cymryd y bai am beth ddigwyddodd am y gol. O'n i moyn agor lan chydig bach yn mynd am y triphwynt. Ac wrth edrych ar y peth a cymryd amser, falle dylwn ni jyst i aros yn dyn i weld beth yn mynd i ddigwydd yn hwyrach, ond ni'n teimlo fel oedd momentum yn tyfu gyda ni. Ac wnaethon ni jyst agor lan chydig bach gormod, a wedyn oedd tyllau a oedd hwnna wedi benni lan mewn cornel iddyn nhw, a ni ddim wedi marco yn dda iawn o gwbl, ond fi wedi gweud wrth y boys fi sy'n mynd i cymryd y bai am hwn heno.
It's a clean sheet and it's 3 points, you know, and that's the positives we take from tonight. You know, there were some good performances in there, but too many of us weren't at it tonight, and you know, if we want to finish 7th and if we want to go into the playoffs and compete, we need to be a lot better than we have been in our last 3 games, really. Our first 3 games met Ferry and Bala. I thought we were very, very good, but the last 3, and saying that we've won 2 of them 1-0, we haven't been as good as we have been also, you know, in phase 2. So you know, we need to be better if we want to achieve what we want to achieve this season. But 5 wins and 1 defeat, you know, it makes me sound like I'm being a bit picky here. But you know, if we'd said that at the start, we certainly would have accepted it. But yeah, we know we've got a lot of work to do on the training pitch between now and April the 18th. But we know it's going to go right to the wire. You know, Flint are in great form. You know, they deservedly beat us here last Sunday or 2 weeks ago. Met and Ferry are right in the mix as well, so we know how tough it's going to be, and like I said, we need to be better if we do want to finish strong and finish 7th.
Owain, oedd e'n gêm bach yn rwystredig i wylio, siwr oedd ei chwarae ni?
Ie, oedd e'n anodd gwylio o'r fainc, ond na'r fath o gêm ni'n cael erbyn Met, fi'n credu pob tro. Mae'r bel lan yn awyr, ti'n bach, mae pawb yn brwydro a dim lot o goliau fel arfer, so ni'n gwybod bod 1 gol yn digon i ennill gêm yma, a ni wedi amddiffyn yn dda hyn a cipio 1 yn mynd mlaen.
Ie, 1 gol yn ddigon, a gol dioddi, o dim lot yn ddi, really?
Na, mae rai chi bod yn y lle iawn. Ar y pryd iawn, Greg yn gwneud arbennig i ennill y penniad cynta, a wedyn just sgibio'r bel mewn o fanna.
13 gêm gyfartal, dim ond y seintiau a Cey Connor sydd wedi colli yn llain yn ni yn y gyngred, felly dyna beth fi'n trio gweud wrth y boys. Fi wedi edrych ar 5 gêm eleni lle ni wedi cael gêm y gyfartal a dylen ni wedi ennill, a chi'n edrych ar hwnna a rhoi y data di gilydd. Mae fe'n tymor gwahanol, ond dwi ddim i fod, a dyna beth sy'n digwydd ar y lefel yma.